Hi, I'm Jess. I'm head trainer at the Ness in New York City, and we're going to go over form for your quadruped or tabletop position. Make your way on down to a mat. You're gonna plant your palms down, spread your fingertips nice and wide so you can really feel that weight through all 10 fingertips. From there, check in that your shoulders are stacked right over your wrists. Tendency is to fall back or too far forward. We want that alignment to protect the joints. Additionally, you want a soft bend in your elbows. That's going to not only help protect the joints, but ensure that our shoulders haven't slid up to the ears, slide them down the back, which brings us to your neck alignment. Our neck should be nice and long. You want to feel an extension out the crown of the head. Image that I like to think about here is an apple under the chin, which prevents us from letting the neck fall or arch, and you're finding that nice straight alignment. The alignment through the neck is connected to the alignment of the entirety of the spine. That same long reach we want through the top of the head is reaching all the way out the back of the tailbone. Tendency is to have our ribs drop and find an arch or a round through the middle of the back. You want that nice sweet in-between spot where your ribs are containing that nice tight core, but there's a length from head through tail. Your hips and your shoulders are even, which brings us to your hip alignment. Hips are right over those knees, not too far back, not too far forward. Once you find this form, that is your tabletop position. Your tabletop position is important as a modification for plank. Additionally, when you're doing tabletop work to activate glutes and hamstrings, we are working with correct form to ensure we get the most for our muscles.